Imagine uploading simple AI-generated plant growth videos that attract millions of views. This time-lapse plant growth niche has exploded in popularity, with channels gaining over 200,000 subscribers and individual videos reaching millions of views. The reason they're so addictive is that people love watching the satisfying transformation from a tiny seed into a fully grown plant in just seconds. The best part? You don't need a garden, expensive equipment, or any editing experience. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create stunning viral AI time-lapse plant growth videos using free and easy AI tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to start making these highly engaging videos yourself. Let's get started. The first step is generating high-quality AI prompts for your time-lapse plant growth video. To make this process fast and effortless, open the Google Doc linked in the description and copy the complete prompt template. Next, head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the chat, and press Enter. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of creative AI plant growth ideas, featuring different fruits, vegetables, and flowers for you to choose from. Browse through the suggestions and pick the one you like best, or simply enter your own custom plant idea. Once you've made your selection, press Enter again. ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete two-scene storyboard for your AI video. The first scene includes a detailed image prompt and a matching AI video prompt, while the second scene continues the growth sequence with a seamless video prompt that transforms your plant from a tiny sprout into a fully grown, ripe harvest. Now it's time for the final step, bringing your AI time-lapse plant growth video to life. Open Flow AI and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Then head back to ChatGPT, copy the scene 1 image prompt, return to Flow AI, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Flow AI will create a stunning, ultra-realistic image of the plant pot with the seed ready for animation. Next, switch to video mode and keep the aspect ratio set to 9:16. Select the OmniFlash video model and choose your preferred video duration. Upload the image you just generated into the prompt box. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 1 video prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. In just a few moments, your first AI plant growth time-lapse scene will be ready. Download it to your device. Now let's create the second scene, where the plant fully matures. Open your first video and capture a screenshot of the last frame. Return to Flow AI and upload that screenshot into the prompt box. Then head back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 2 video prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. Within seconds, Flow AI will produce a seamless continuation, showing the plant growing into a beautiful flowering plant with a fully ripe harvest. Download the completed scene to your device. The final step is simple. Import both scenes into your favorite video editor, such as CapCut. Place them back-to-back on the timeline, make any final adjustments if needed, and export your finished AI time-lapse plant growth video in high quality. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.